Starting in 2022, Alaskans are voting in new ways. For state and federal elections, we will now have a nonpartisan primary to choose which candidates move on to the general election, and ranked choice voting in the general election. The nonpartisan primary lets you choose one candidate, regardless of their political party, to move on to the general election. Ranked choice voting lets you rank the candidates in order of preference instead of voting for just one candidate. Want to see how voting in a nonpartisan primary works? Download a sample ballot from the Division of Elections website at the link in the description and follow along. In a nonpartisan primary, all of the candidates for a particular race are on the ballot. Republican, Democrat, Independent, Undeclared, everyone's on the same ballot. You must choose only one candidate who you think should move on to the general election. Using a blue or black ink pen, fill in the oval to the right of your choice. Do this for each race on the ballot. Choose just one candidate in each race by filling in the oval to the right of that candidate. Once the votes are counted up, the top 4 candidates with the most votes will move on to a ranked choice ballot in the general election. If you're a person with a disability who has questions about your voting rights or this new voting method, you can contact the Disability Law Center of Alaska at 1-800-478-1234 or visit our website at dlcak.org.